Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your domain and email using Google Workspace step by step. To update your domain and email using Google Workspace, start by signing into your Google Workspace admin console. Go to the admin console at admin.google.com. Enter your administrator username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Domains section. Select Manage Domains from the options available. To add a new domain, click on the Add a Domain button. Enter the new domain name you wish to add. Select whether this domain will be an alias or a separate domain. Click Continue to proceed. Next, verify your ownership of the domain. Choose your preferred verification method. A common method is to add a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Log in to your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS management section. Add the TXT record provided by Google Workspace. Save your changes and wait for a few minutes for the DNS to propagate. Return to the Google Workspace admin console and click Verify. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, set up email for your new domain. In the admin console, go to Users. Click on the user for whom you want to set up email for the new domain. Under User Information, find the Email Alias section. Click on Add an Alias. Enter the new email address in the format you desire. Click Save to apply the changes. Repeat this process for any additional users as needed. To configure email delivery for the new domain, update your MX records. Access the DNS management section of your domain registrar. Delete any existing MX records. Add the Google Workspace MX records provided in the documentation. Save your changes and allow time for propagation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.